Hi. So it's dark and we can't see each other, so I'll vlog when I get to the light. Hi. Finally, somewhere where there is light. So I usually used to come at 6 for my 10k steps walk, but everyone started asking like, when you just want to go for a walk and come back to your house without anyone questioning you. Yeah, so that is why I started coming for my 10k stops at 5 instead of at 6, because at 6 I would meet everyone and everyone is minding other people's business, and now everyone is asking me every day, huku penye unaendanga asubuhi kila siku ni wapi? And that is the question I'm trying to avoid. So that is why now instead of 6 I usually go from 5 to 6, and then by 6:30 I'm already in the house. So since it's almost 10 months, I'm almost bringing the results. So I hope the results will be as amazing as these 10k steps walking every morning, even though some days I didn't go. It was raining heavily, so yeah. But I'm glad I've done like 10k for almost the whole month. So I'm finally back in my house, and these are the steps for today: 12,316 steps, and calorie burned is 458. So I didn't meet the boy I usually buy fruits from today. I think it's because it was market day, but yeah, I waited for some time but I couldn't get him, so I just came back in the house. So I want to make my house and then get breakfast ready, and I think we'll just go with how the day goes. But for now, I think I should make my house first. So I have done like a few things in the house, and also from the last video I was to undo my hair, which I did that, and it's like I got rained on and now my hair has shrinked, so I need to plan a day and go wash it and get it blow dried, but it's not so urgent, so that will be for another day. And it's also about to rain, so, and I need to wash my clothes today. So I think my hair, I will take care of it another time. I'm not in a rush with that. And then there's the cover from my tailor. Last time it was made and now it fits okay. So yeah, I've done most of the part. Like I've made my bed and this side, so I need to take care of my kitchen. Then after my kitchen I have to wash my clothes, even though it's about to rain. So it's been raining a lot lately, like almost every day, and This is not, for me, this is not a weather like I can go and visit friends in a weather like this. I would prefer to sit in my house and do nothing than to go and see a friend and then we just be like, you know, there's the difference between comfort of your home and in somebody else's house. So this rainy season, I just prefer to be indoors than going to see my friends. Even though I have 2 friends in town, the rest of my friends, okay, I don't have many friends. I think I have less than 5 friends. 2 are in town, and then the other 3 are out of where I live. So I'm not so like extrovert. I'm more of an introvert. So I also don't like going out much. I just prefer being in my own space and doing my own things. Yeah. And, I don't think I did an intro for my vlog. I just said hi when we were going for the 10K step. So hi loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Martha. If you are new here, if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being here. Thank you for always being my biggest supporters. And yeah, thank you for watching, or thank you for staying here.
Sitting in the basement apartment I rented with you, remembering the holiday party we had with the crew. Romeo was roaming the garden, Saturday was spent in a parking lot. Gave it all we got. It was so new.
So for the soaked clothes, I put them in water. Yes, I soaked them yesterday. So I'm going to wash them. And you can see how the weather has already changed, and it's just, what's the time? It's 10. It's just 10:53 a.m. and the weather has already changed, but it will be a good thing if I already have cleaned clothes, yeah, or washed clothes, yeah. I'm done with washing my clothes, I'm done with cleaning my house, so I want to make breakfast and then relax a bit, because why not? It's Saturday and I don't have anything to do. Someone was supposed to come and repair something in my house. I don't know if the landlord will send that person today or another time, but something was supposed to be repaired in my house. Actually, two things were supposed to be repaired in my house. So if they come, well and good. If they don't, still we'll wait for the next time they show up. So it's time to enjoy my breakfast. Yeah, I'm already salivating, so I will have my breakfast while I watch something on my phone, and then later I'll watch a series on my laptop, because literally I'm almost done with everything. Yeah. So I just got my clothes outside from the hanging line, because it's now already raining. Yeah, that's how bad the weather is these days. It's already raining, so I'll wash the breakfast dishes. I don't know, since it's raining and it's Saturday, I didn't have much to do, so I'll just wash the breakfast dishes and then watch a movie, because you know it's raining and it's cold. So once the rain is over, I will have a shower and then go look for supper, because I don't think I'm gonna make lunch with this weather. I will just have tea for lunch again. I think that is now the thing that happens with me when it rains or when it's cold. Tea is my best friend. Tea becomes my best friend. Yeah. So, which dirty dishes am I talking about? Because it's just a pan that I used to fry my eggs. I think that can manage to stay up to tomorrow. I feel like this is the advantage of living alone. You don't have to do everything the same day. So I was downloading here some series that I want to watch. Yeah. and by the way, since it's been raining a lot, some days that I didn't manage to go for my walk, I used to do like simple workouts in the house. Yeah. So this is your girl here waiting for the rains to stop so that she can have a shower. But in the meantime, let's watch something and have tea while watching something. My milk because with this weather, I'm telling you, just need your socks on and your hoodie on and a cup of hot tea, and then you sit on your couch and do nothing. But I'm also grateful that it's weekend, it's Saturday when I'm vlogging this. So I wanted to vlog like the whole day until when I make supper, but since it's started raining right now, I don't know when it's gonna stop for me to go out and look for something to cook for supper. So I'm thinking of ending the vlog here because I'm not sure if I can film after the rains, because it's gonna be like this until morning probably, because this is what has been happening a lot lately. Yeah, it's been raining like the whole day, the whole night, the whole morning. Yeah, so I don't know, I will see if I will keep vlogging or if I will add some content later, but for now I'm still not sure if that is gonna be possible, but I hope it will be, so that at least the vlog can be longer, because it's been so long since like 2 weeks since I last uploaded a vlog on my channel. Yeah, and I know you guys missed me and I also missed you, so I hope things gonna be better soon so that I can be vlogging frequently. So it has stopped raining and I'm on my way to get supper, something for supper, and we don't have power in my house. Yeah, that usually happens after it rains, so I don't have power back in my house. It's dark, so I will end my vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Please remember to subscribe or consider subscribing if you've enjoyed this kind of vlog. I will see you on my next video. Let me walk carefully so that I don't fall on the mud. Bye.